What did you do at 1 year old?
I was born. I drank milk. I was born. I drank milk.
What about 2 years old?
I learned to walk. I often fell down. I learned to walk. I often fell down.
And 3 years old?
I learned to talk. I played with toys. I learned to talk. I played with toys.
What about 4 years old?
I went to the park. I played on the slide. I went to the park. I played on the slide.
What did you do at 5 years old?
I went to kindergarten. I cried a lot. I went to kindergarten. I cried a lot.
And 6 years old?
I went to primary school. I cried, but my teacher helped me. I went to primary school. I cried, but my teacher helped me.
What about 7 years old?
I studied math and reading. I made new friends. I studied math and reading. I made new friends.
What did you do at 8 years old?
I liked drawing. I painted pictures at school. I liked drawing. I painted pictures at school.
What about 9 years old?
I learned to swim. I was very happy in the water. I learned to swim. I was very happy in the water.
What did you do at 10 years old?
I read comic books. I played computer games. I read comic books. I played computer games.
What about 11 years old?
I joined a school club. I liked singing. I joined a school club. I liked singing.
And 12 years old?
I played football with friends. I was very active. I played football with friends. I was very active.
What happened at 13 years old?
I played games all night. I was tired at school. I played games all night. I was tired at school.
And then?
My mother said, "You must study." I felt sorry and studied more. My mother said, "You must study." I felt sorry and studied more.
What about 14 years old?
I broke a window at school. The teacher punished me. I broke a window at school. The teacher punished me.
Did you change?
Yes, I said sorry and helped clean the class. Yes, I said sorry and helped clean the class.
What happened at 15 years old?
I fought with a classmate. My teacher said, "Violence is wrong." I fought with a classmate. My teacher said, "Violence is wrong."
And how did you feel?
I felt ashamed. We talked and became friends again. I felt ashamed. We talked and became friends again.
What did you do at 16 years old?
I tried smoking a cigarette. I got into trouble. I tried smoking a cigarette. I got into trouble.
And then?
I coughed, felt sick, and promised never again. I coughed, felt sick, and promised never again.
What about 17 years old?
I was disciplined at school for being noisy. I was disciplined at school for being noisy.
Did you change?
Yes, I felt bad and studied hard after that. Yes, I felt bad and studied hard after that.
What happened at 18 years old?
I finished high school. I entered university far from home. I finished high school. I entered university far from home.
How did your parents feel?
They were proud and happy for me. They were proud and happy for me.
What about 19 years old?
I lived alone. I cooked simple food. I lived alone. I cooked simple food.
Did you work?
Yes, I had a part-time job in a cafe. Yes, I had a part-time job in a cafe.
What about 20 years old?
I studied many books. I joined a student club. I studied many books. I joined a student club.
Did you meet someone special?
Yes, I had a crush on a girl in my class. Yes, I had a crush on a girl in my class.
What about 21 years old?
I joined many parties. Sometimes I drank too much. I joined many parties. Sometimes I drank too much.
Did you regret it?
Yes, I wasted time, but later I studied harder. Yes, I wasted time, but later I studied harder.
What happened at 22 years old?
I failed one exam. I felt very sad. I failed one exam. I felt very sad.
What did you do then?
I studied day and night and passed the next exam. I studied day and night and passed the next exam.
What about 23 years old?
I finished university. I got my first real job. I finished university. I got my first real job.
And then?
I made a big mistake at my job. I made a big mistake at my job.
What about 24 years old?
I traveled abroad with friends. It was my first time leaving the country. I traveled abroad with friends. It was my first time leaving the country.
How did you feel?
Very happy and free. I learned more about life. Very happy and free. I learned more about life.
What happened at 25 years old?
My boss was angry, but I said sorry and improved. My boss was angry, but I said sorry and improved.
Did you feel proud?
I worked hard and earned my own money. I worked hard and earned my own money.
What happened between 26 and 30?
I worked hard. I learned many skills. I worked hard. I learned many skills.
Anything special?
Yep, I got married at 29. Yep, I got married at 29.
What about 31 to 35?
I became a father. I took care of my family. I became a father. I took care of my family.
Did you still work?
Yeah, I worked harder to earn more. Yeah, I worked harder to earn more.
What about 36 to 40?
I bought a house. I was proud of my family. I bought a house. I was proud of my family.
How did life feel?
Busy but happy. Busy but happy.
What about 41 to 45?
My children grew up. I taught them to be good. My children grew up. I taught them to be good.
Did they listen?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no. Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
What about 46 to 50?
I got older. Work was harder. I got older. Work was harder.
And your family?
They gave me love and support. They gave me love and support.
What about 51 to 55?
My children went to university. My children went to university.
How did you feel?
I was proud, but also missed them. I was proud, but also missed them.
What about 56 to 60?
I traveled with my wife. I traveled with my wife.
Was it nice?
Well, we enjoyed our time together. Well, we enjoyed our time together.
Did you like it?
Yes, I read books and relaxed. Yes, I read books and relaxed.
What about 66 to 70?
I played with my grandchildren. I played with my grandchildren.
How did that feel?
Wonderful and full of joy. Wonderful and full of joy.
What about 71 to 75?
My health was weaker. My health was weaker.
What about 76 to 80?
I walked slowly in the park. I walked slowly in the park.
Did you enjoy nature?
Oh, trees and birds gave me peace. Oh, trees and birds gave me peace.
What about 81 to 85?
I told stories to my grandchildren. I told stories to my grandchildren.
Did they listen?
Yes, they laughed and asked many questions. Yes, they laughed and asked many questions.
What about 86 to 90?
I rested a lot. I thought about my long life. I rested a lot. I thought about my long life.
Did you feel happy?
Well, I was thankful for my family and my life. Well, I was thankful for my family and my life.